Hello, hopefully you have some fun with this assignment since it's based on a game. The game is called rock, paper, scissors. You shake your fist 3 times, and on the third count, you either display a fist, which stands for rock, a flat hand, which stands for paper, or 2 fingers, which represents scissors. The winner is determined based upon the following rules. Rock crushes scissors, scissors cut paper, paper covers rock. So for instance, whoever has scissors and their partner has paper, that's a win for the scissors. If you tie, you need to play again until the wins and losses equals 12 altogether. Find a classmate or a friend, somebody around the house, and you're going to have a rock, paper, scissors tournament. Then contact one of your other classmates and find out how their tournaments went. The more scores you can collect, the better off your graph is going to look. So, play a person as many times as they can stand, challenge somebody else, call your classmates and see how their games went as well. I played the computer 3 times to show you what your graph will look like. In the first game, player A won twice, player B won 10 times, no ties. We got through 12 rounds. The second time I played, player A won 6 times, player B won 6 times. You see, we had some ties. We broke the ties. We played again until there was a winner. Altogether, there was 6 wins plus 6 wins, a total of 12 wins. And the third time we played, player A won 7 times, player B won 5 times. It would be very helpful to you to use a colored pencil or 2 different colors of ink pens when it comes to the graph. I only played 3 times, and the results fill up the first row. But player A won twice, 1 time. Player B won 5 times, once. Player A won 6 once. Player B won 6 once. And player A won 7. The more numbers you can get, the better off your graph will look. So get in touch with your friends and find out how well they did. Once we have our graph completed, you'll need to answer some questions. So I wanted to review with you what mean was. Mean means to add up and then divide by the number of times. I'll use player A as an example. Won twice, won 6 times, won 7 times. That totals 15. And that was a collection of 3 games. The average for player A was 5 wins. Mode refers to the most frequently used statistic. In this case, each number of winning games turns out to be used only 1 time. We don't have a mode since all the results equal 1. Player A, the best you could do for a mode would be 2 was used once, 6 was used once, and 7 was used once. Since there's not a clear mode because I only played 3 times. Again, keep playing your friend or classmate. Call your friends and classmates so that you can really fill up the graph with numbers. The last part talks about what should happen in the game. All possible outcomes can be graphed with a tree diagram. I'll start the tree diagram for you and let you finish on your own. Player 1 could show either paper or rock or scissors. Now this happens simultaneously, but we'll diagram what players 2 results would be. Player 2 could flash either paper or rock or scissors as the first person displayed paper. For rock, I'll go one step further. If player 1 showed rock, player 2 could show paper, player 2 could show rock, player 2 could show scissors. I'll leave the tree diagram for you to finish. That should help you with part 2 in determining the total possible outcomes and give you a head start to comparing the results for players A and B in a given game. So, have fun, get in touch with your classmates and see how well they did. Don't forget to show all your work on paper and turn that in. Have a great weekend.